That's where I welded it. And I got the angle iron marked. I got to drill it. Pull the handle off of there where those two bolts are. Rebolt that up. And then clamp this angle iron so it straightens this piece out. And the same on the other side. And then I got to go on the top of it because we're looking at the bottom. And I got to weld up those cracks and maybe reinforce that a little bit. I know the welds don't look good, but this material is so thin there ain't much I can do about it. That's the way Harbor Freight makes these, the Chinese that they contract with. But it seems to be holding up pretty good. I stood on it and it's holding my weight. I got the other side to do yet. These are 27 inches long. This is that small cart that they sell. I might have to fix the handle after I'm done because it seems to have a little difficult time closing, but that's okay. I'm not done with it yet. But it should hold up pretty good. This is the cart that I fixed. You can see on each side there's a piece of angle iron 27 inches long, and I tack welded it. The welds look like crap, but the material is so thin that I had to weld to. There wasn't much I can do with it.